Hello and welcome. Join us at CordenPharma, the global CDMO partner for the secure and reliable development and manufacturing of APIs, drug products, and lipid excipients. With a primary focus on enhancing patient well-being, we specialize in supporting the complex modalities of our biotech and pharma customers. With our dedicated and passionate team of scientific experts, cutting-edge technology platforms, and the range of integrated services across our global network, we deliver solutions that span the entire drug lifecycle. We are recognized for our quick decision-making, creativity, and values. As we are constantly growing, we offer a wide range of exciting job opportunities for scientists and professionals, enabling individuals to make a meaningful impact on our organization. Join us at CordenPharma, where we drive innovation, shape the future, make a difference in society, and help to improve people's lives. CordenPharma, the partner you need.